Hello, my name is Riley, otherwise known as Smalls. I have spent the last year dedicating my time to making good, kid-friendly dinner and lunch recipes. Today, I'm just doing a quick 2-minute long promo, or teaser if you will, to kind of make a quick and fun little recipe. So a couple days ago, I was thinking to myself, what can I do in 2 minutes? And myself said back to me, maybe a good, delicious mocktail or cocktail, but with a K, because kids cocktail. Anyway, the one I was thinking of was a delicious malt. It takes so little time and it's delicious. It goes with really good. It goes really good with a lot of things. Oh, and by the way, this is my little sister, Minnie Biggs, or Olive.
Are you helping Minnie Biggs?
Are you helping us?
Cook? Excellent.
Yes.
All right.
So, for the ingredients, we have some milk, some vanilla ice cream, because we're doing vanilla, but you can substitute it for chocolate. Along with the vanilla extract, you can substitute for chocolate syrup.
Berries.
We have ice, and as Ollie was saying,
Berries.
berries.
And most importantly,
The malted milk. Basically, it's kind of milk powder. So, yeah. So, here we have the most important tool for this whole entire extravaganza. The blender. So, all you got to do is add all the ingredients and blend, and voila! Bada bing, bada boom!
Bada bing, bada boom.
So, first we add the ice. Whoa, it's going everywhere. And then we add the milk. Just add some milk.
next.
So, now we're just adding in a couple scoops of ice cream. Probably more like 3.
Okay. Action.
So, now we're just adding all the malt, probably a spoonful, maybe 2.
Okay. Wow, a lot of malt. All right.
Don't need much of the vanilla extract, just like that much. About.
Okay.
Now my assistant needs to add all the berries. Just pour them in. Just pour them in like this. Okay? Can you do that? Good job.
There's still more.
And that's the bananas. The bananas. Add it nicely. We're just going to blend it all together. So, of course, all you need to do now is pour it into a fancy glass and enjoy.
I like your umbrella.
Thank you. You can just find those at the local weather dispensary.
Oh, excellent.
Get it? So you can do these a number of different ways. For example, my dad really likes his peanut butter and pickle malts.
You're Joshin.
Yeah, I am Josh. I totally am Josh and Josh. His name is Josh.
All right, thank you.
Last but not least, all you need to do is enjoy. Like I already said, but just enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.